everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be making some french fries. So like you saw in the last pic, you guys are going to have to wash your potatoes and then peel them. So after you've washed your potatoes, you're going to cut off the ends and the sides of your potatoes just so that we can get clean, crisp cuts. Also guys, don't forget to click that subscribe button and the like button, and also click that notification bell so you guys be notified whenever I post my next video. Also guys, smash that subscribe button, and when you do that, go and comment down below that you subscribed and I will respond to your comment. So now you can see me, I'm cutting off little patties. So that one's actually quite small, so you don't have to use that. You can put it in a soup. They're gonna look, yep, just like that. You're gonna cut off those little patty sizes from your potatoes, and you're going to do this with all of your potatoes. So I actually am using 5 potatoes, and that is going to give me a large plate. If you guys are using smaller potatoes, you might have to use a little bit more, and if you're using a little bit of a bigger potato, you might have to use less. So I highly recommend using a medium-sized potato, just because the medium-sized potatoes just are a lot softer, and those really big potatoes, they're just way too hard to cut through. But really use what you like best. And also a good potato option is a rustic potato. They're really nice and soft, and they're perfect in the fryer. So also guys, comment down below what kind of recipes you want to see me make. So after you guys have finished cutting up your potatoes, like these little potato patties or whatever you want to call them, I'm actually not going to make you show you the whole process. Also, if you get those little end pieces, just throw those away. Alright, now after you finish cutting all those potatoes, you are going to cut them into your little fry shapes. So you're going to get about maybe 4, maybe 3 out of them, and they're not going to look perfect. You want them to be at least 1 centimeter long, no bigger or no smaller than that. Also, this recipe makes a good family size amount, so you guys will be able to enjoy it with your family, and it is so good. Alright, so you're going to do this with all of your potatoes, and they're going to look really delicious. They're not going to look exact, and they're not going to really look like perfect potato shapes, but they're homemade, so they're going to look really good. These potatoes end up tasting really crispy on the outside and really soft inside. And also I will be topping this off with some of my fry sauce. It is delicious. Go check that video out after this video so you can get that fry sauce recipe to go perfect with these fries. So after you have cut in all of your pieces like this, you need to prepare a bowl of water to put your fries in for 60 minutes, which is what I'll be doing next. So you guys can take as much time as you want cutting these fries and making them look as perfect as you want, or as unperfect as you want. It really doesn't matter. Also, when you guys cut those patties, make sure that you're cutting them fairly thin and quite even so that all your fries cook at a perfect time. Alright, so like you see what I'm doing right now, I am filling up a bowl of water to go with my fries, and these are just going to clean out that cornstarch from it. You're going to put that on a timer for 60 minutes. So as you can see what I'm doing right now, I'm just putting a 60-minute timer for my fries to sit in that water undisturbed for 60 minutes. Alright, so this is how they should look like afterwards. So you're going to drain that water out. And now you're going to rinse it one more time. So you're going to rinse this about 3 more times, kind of like rice, when you rinse it out to get that white powder stuff off. That's kind of how it should be. So just 3 times, maybe 2. Even if you want to go above and beyond, you can go for 4 times. I'm just doing it here for 3 times. Alright. So after you have finished rinsing your potatoes, you're just going to have to dry them off with a paper towel, or I actually went in with a drainer. I didn't use a paper towel. So you want to dry these off really well. And then we're going to go and fry them. Alright, so now we're going to fry these in 2 batches. So you're going to fry this batch until they're like, just like these, are kind of soft, and then you're going to fry it again. After you've fried it again, they're going to be nice and crispy and delicious. And then here you can see me just putting my delicious sauce. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best sauces, and they go so well with these delicious fries. They're absolutely amazing. And this is actually what I ate for my ASMR video about 2 days ago. I don't know how long ago it was, but dang, these are so good. And this is how they look at the end. They're delicious. Go check this recipe out.